First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo, there is that lever that needs to be turned towards the right side completely, and then we need to lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about that needs to be turned towards the right side, and then we lift up the hood. While holding the hood, we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is a headlight, and on top of the headlight, this is actually the location for the turn signal bulb. What we do is we hold on to it and then turn it counterclockwise. Once it goes all the way till the very end, then we just pull it outwards. There it is, it's taken out. Inside the cover, there is a plug along with the bulb. It is a little tight spot right there. We grab the plug, turn it counterclockwise, and then pull it outwards. Once the plug was pulled out, it took me some effort to completely pull out the plug along with the bulb because of the tight spacing. But that is how the bulb along with the plug is taken out. Now we'll hold on to the bulb and then pull it outwards. Just like that, that is how we take out the bulb. My case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it doesn't really matter if it's this way or the other way around. Both ways are perfectly fine. So what we have to do is punch in the bulb inside the plug and then press it down until you hear a clicking sound. There's the bulb completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the bulb along with the plug inside the headlight. Make sure the plug all the way is completely in first. Again, you may have to go a little back and forth with the plug until it completely goes in. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is, and it's also not coming out. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the cover. We make sure the cover sits in there properly first. Then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. Cover as well is in, also not coming out. With that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb. The same process can be applied on the other side headlight as well. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. Lower the hood up until the middle. Now to close the hood properly, we will leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.